Hey guys, this is Jorge with Llama Lightroom Presets. So I just wanted to run through another quick edit with you guys. So this is a bridal photo that I took over at the Masonic Temple in Detroit, beautiful building. So this was indoors, not really a lot of natural light coming through, and I did use a flash on this image. I used a 34-inch softbox Godox 8200. So this is the raw image right here. You can see the ARW Sony file from my A7 III. You can see my settings right here if you're interested in that. And then also the lens I used, 14 to 24, 2.8 Sigma, absolutely stunning wide angle lens. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna start by choosing my base layer here. I used created light or artificial light or flash. So that's what I'm gonna start with here. I'm just gonna choose that. And then color temperature, I like to work with the precision color temperature, so I'm just gonna mouse down right over here and then just see what looks good here. For me, I like double blue, so I'm gonna choose that. All right, let's look at the tint adjustment here. Let me see. Actually, I think the baseline looks just about perfect. Yeah, gets to be a little bit green up here. Like baseline or magenta +3. Let's stick with the base. All right, exposure adjustment. I can tell right off the bat this needs to be brought up a little bit. Let's see here. Ooh, exposure 2 looks good. 3 looks good too. I'm gonna stick with 3. And the reason being is when I'm gonna go down the highlights and I'm gonna cool off the highlights a little bit here. I like to brighten up the exposure, sorry about that, and cool off the highlights just a little bit right there. As you can see, increasing them just kind of blows out the whites there. Shadow adjustment, let's see where we're at. I'd like to bring out a little bit more shadows. Even that looks really nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with that first adjustment right there. Sharpness, we'll stick with sharpness 1. Noise reduction, this was shot at ISO 400, so I like to just throw a noise reduction 1 on there just by default. Let's see, and then I'll go through the tools, remove purple fringing as I do the same on all of my images. Optimize lens, this one I'm kind of 50-50 on. I think I'm gonna keep it off. Let's check out enhance color, see what that does. I do like that. Fill grain I'll keep off. And let's see what the subject enhancer does. Okay, let's see. So that's with it on, that's with it off, that's with it on. This one's tough. I can go 50-50 on this one. I kind of like it off. I like the background being a little bit brighter, a little bit more pronounced. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there you go. There's your before and there's your after. You know, excuse me, I should say, let me see. There's your before and there's your after. How about that? You know, just running right through the list here. You know, 1 to 9, and there you go. Easy peasy. All right, until next time, see ya.